So hey guys, we'll begin with this paper. This is a pre-screening paper of 2022 JSO pre-screening in 2022. So your basic idea is we will not solve everything, but we will try to solve the things that you find it very difficult to solve sometimes because of the time constraint. So the easy ones we will just skip. I will leave it up to you for you to take care of it. And from today onwards, as I had asked in my previous poll, what language that we should prefer between Hindi, Konkani, and English. Okay, so most of the people voted for Hindi and Konkani. English is also fine, but my main intention is that the video should reach the wider audience as well, the one who are watching this video from outside Goa as well. So that's why I prefer Hindi, and if necessary, I'll use Konkani because of the fact being I'm a Goan. Okay, and English is as always it will be there, but most preferably I'll be using Hindi from now onwards. Okay, and I hope that Goan audience do understand, they can even talk Hindi. So I think since Hindi is the official language, we should prefer Hindi. Okay, so that is a basic idea for this thing. So we'll move forward now. Okay, so हम बढ़ते हैं हमारे पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ. So we are given that in a meaningful English word has to form using first, third, fifth, and eighth letters of the word souvenir. Okay, so this is our word souvenir. Okay, so this is our first word, third word, fifth word, and the eighth word. So हमारे पास कौन से वर्ड्स है अभी? S, U, E, and R. So यहाँ से what we are given is that if more than one such words can be formed, mark it as M, otherwise mark it as P. Okay, from this it is common sense, then we can make a word something called as sure, which is बहुत पक्की वाली बात, and the other one is use, something which we can use. So from here it is clear that two words are formed, that is more than one, so we should mark our answer as M. So answer is C anyways. Okay, so we are done with the first question. We move to the next. This is a sylogs based question. So we are given that all red are blue. This is your red. All red are blue. We are given that all blue are yellow, and we are given that no green is yellow. Okay, so first, all yellow being red is a possibility. Whenever there is a word possibility, then it is definitely true. So first option or first conclusion is true. Some blue are yellow. We are given that all blue are yellow. If all blue are yellow, then at least some blue will be yellow. Okay, so this is also correct. No red is green. We are given that no yellow is green, and since red resides or red yellow के अंदर आता है, so that is obvious that no red is also green. Okay, so our correct option is this, and even here also we have option C is the correct answer. Okay, so we are done with this. This is also one of the easiest one. We are given that 284312437585696 ऐसे कुछ हमें नंबर्स दिए गए हैं. इफ़ वन इज़ एडेड टू द फर्स्ट डिजिट, दैट इज़ अगर वन हम पहले डिजिट ऑफ द नंबर में ऐड करते हैं, एंड अगर दो ऐड करते हैं टू द थर्ड डिजिट, ठीक है, देन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स विल बी द सेकेंड हाइस्ट नंबर अमंग दिस. सो हमारे पास कौन सा है? 284 में जब हम 1 ऐड करेंगे ये 3 हो जाएगा, 386. ओके, आई होप यू गेट टू नो how I got 386. We add 1 to the first digit of this number, it becomes 3. Then we write 8 as it is, and we add 2 to the third digit of the number, we get 6. Okay, 312 we get 414. Then we have 539. Then we have 687. Then we have 798. We are told to find the second highest number. This is the first highest number, and this is the second highest number. But this number is obtained from which number? It is obtained from 585. So answer is this. Okay, we move to the next. I will leave this thing up to you. Okay, this is a pure logical reasoning, you can say. I don't know the topic name, but I feel this is a logical reasoning. I will leave this up to you to decide. Okay, even this is something word analogy that you can do by yourself. This is easy one. Okay, I'll solve this one. Okay, there are two teams participating in a competition, had to take a test in a given time. Team B chose a test with 300 questions. There is team B over here, and there is team A over here. They chose test with 300 questions. Okay, 300 questions, and A chose the test with 10% less questions. 10% less questions than team A. Okay, we have 300, 10% less questions than team B, 9 by 10. We have 270 questions. Okay, we have 270 questions. Next, we are given that team A completed the test 3 hours before. 3 hours before, there was some scheduled time that was there, and they completed the test 3 hours before the scheduled time. whereas टीम बी ने ऐसे ही किया, 6 घंटे पहले टेस्ट को ख़त्म कर दिया. ठीक है. इफ़ टीम बी आंसर्ड 7 क्वेश्चंस मोर देन द टीम ए. अगर ये तुम्हारी टीम बी है, टीम ए है, टीम ए अगर x क्वेश्चंस पर आवर अगर कंप्लीट कर दिए तो ये x+7 क्वेश्चंस पर आवर करेंगे. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे हमें क्या दिया गया है, ये 3 घंटे पहले ख़त्म करते हैं, ये 6 घंटे पहले ख़त्म करते हैं, तो दोनों का डिफरेंस ऑफ टाइम कितना होगा, 3 घंटे होगा. एंड व्हाट डू वी नो अबाउट द टाइम इज डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. यही कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पे यूज़ हो रहा है. ठीक है. सो लेट मी शो यू दिस. सो 270 अपॉन x माइनस 300 अपॉन x+7 इक्वल्स टू 3. यहाँ पे आपको क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मिलेगा एंड दैट इज़ नॉट वर्थ इट टू इवन सॉल्व, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपका बहुत टाइम वेस्ट होने वाला है. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस वैल्यूज, दिस ऑप्शन वैल्यूज यू कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट ओवर हियर. Okay, for example, if I take this 15, if I substitute 15 over here, 15 plus 7 gives me 22. 300 is never divided by 22, it will give you some decimal answer. Okay, so this cannot be the option. We take 18. If we take 18 over here, okay, if we take 18 over here and also 18 plus 7 25, if you take this, then you can get this answer. Let me show you how. 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27, 6 15s are. Okay, so we have 15 over here, and here we have 25, 5 5s are, 5 6 are 30, and 5 12s are. Okay, 15 minus 12 gives you 3. So this satisfies the answer. So 18 is your answer, which is also given in this answer key. Okay, so that's how you're supposed to solve this. Find the mirror image. So यहाँ पे आपको mirror image ढूंढना है. ठीक है, यहाँ में से. सो इसको ध्यान से देखना. ठीक है, इसको ध्यान से देखने कैसा है. ये जो पहला है ना, ये पार्ट और ये पार्ट तो सही है, बट ये नीचे वाला पार्ट ना और ये पार्ट, ठीक है, दोनों बाहर की तरफ ही दिखा रही है. अंदर की तरफ है तो ये भी अंदर हो जाना चाहिए था. सो ये अपना गलत हो गया. ठीक है, इसको देखना आप. ये जो रेक्टेंगल के अंदर एक रेक्टेंगल है ना, और ये रेक्टेंगल के अंदर रेक्टेंगल पूरी तरीके से नहीं है, नीचे से कटा हुआ है. सो ये भी आपका रॉन्ग हो गया. ठीक है, इन दोनों के बीच में आपको बस अभी देखना है कौन सा सही होगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे सिमिलैरिटी कहाँ पे दिख रही है आपको, इस पार्ट पे दिख रही है, इस पार्ट पे दिख रही है. सम फिगर में जाके देखते हैं वो एग्जैक्टली कैसा है. वो थोड़ा कटा हुआ है. ठीक है, कटा हुआ है, पूरा ट्रायंगल नहीं है, कटा हुआ है. सो दिस इज़ रॉन्ग एंड दिस इज़ करेक्ट. ओके, सो यू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. ये भी सिमिलर पैटर्न पे है, ये मैं आप पे छोड़ देता हूँ, आप कर लेना. ठीक है, बट फिर भी दिखा देता हूँ. चलो, ये फिगर है, यहाँ पे ये कंप्लीट करना है हमें फिगर. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ये जो डंडी है ना, और ये सेमी सर्कल है, उस पर वो क्रॉस नहीं कर रही है, बट यहाँ पे वो क्रॉस कर रही है. सो ये तो हमारा हो नहीं सकता. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी क्रॉस करी, ये तो अपना हो नहीं सकता. ठीक है, और ये भी नहीं हो सकता. सो आंसर हमारा यही आएगा. ठीक है, सो आई एम जस्ट लिविंग द ईजीएस्ट वन. Okay, I'll solve this. When Sona and Tina went for shopping initially, they had, okay, शॉपिंग जाने से पहले उनके पास कुछ पैसे थे. ठीक है, और मान लेते हैं कि टीना के पास x है, तो सोना के पास बाई दी क्वेश्चन बोला है 2x है. ओके, कीप दिस इन माइंड. फिर वो दोनों शॉपिंग जाते हैं एंड दे बॉट थिंग्स अमाउंटिंग टू 250 रुपीज़. ओके, 250 का वो दोनों मिला के लेते हैं, बट उस 250 में जो टीना का शेयर है ना वो 60% था. 60% ऑफ 250 कितना होता है, 150. अगर ये 150 है तो ये 100 हो गया. ओके, ये टीना का शेयर था, ये सोना का शेयर था. खर्चा करने के बाद वो ये बोल रहे हैं कि सोना के पास जो बचा हुआ पैसा है ना, इट इज़ 3 times व्हाट टीना है. सोना के पास पैसा इतना था, और खर्चा करने के बाद, और उन्होंने इतना खर्चा किया था. सोना के पास इतना पैसा था और उन्होंने इतना खर्चा किया, तो बचेगा कितना अभी, 2x माइनस 100 इक्वल्स टू, टीना के पास कितना था, x था -150. ओके, सभी सॉल्व करने के बाद कितना होगा, 2x माइनस 100 इक्वल्स टू 3x माइनस 450. ओके, सो x इज़ 350. पूछा है कि टीना के पास बिगनिंग में पैसा कितना था, टीना को हमने x लिया, सो x इज़ 350. सो दिस इज़ योर आंसर. ओके, बस इतना ही करना था इसको. इवन दिस इज़ अ सिंपल वन. चीज़ल को स्कल्प्टर बनाया गया है, दैट मीन्स स्कल्प्टर का एक जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, इक्विपमेंट है, उसके बारे में बात की है. सो गार्डनर हैरो यूज़ करते हैं, बिकॉज हैरो इज़ एन इक्विपमेंट फॉर अ गार्डनर. ओके, सो यही रिलेशनशिप था उसका. विल सॉल्व दिस वन एज वेल. इसका सेम सब मैंने रिसेंटली गोवा एसएससी का जो शॉर्ट वीडियो सोल्यूशंस था वहाँ पे मैंने दिखाया था. सो वी गोना सॉल्व दिस वे नाउ. Pointing to a lady, Shahrukh said, okay, Shahrukh is saying something pointing to that lady that she is the daughter of the only child of my grandmother. Since Shahrukh is saying my grandmother, क्या होगा, my grandmother as in Shahrukh की grandmother. Okay, because Shahrukh is saying, right, if I say she is my girlfriend, I'm saying that that girl is my girlfriend. My girlfriend means my girlfriend. Okay, like that. So she is the daughter of the only child of my grandmother means Shahrukh's grandmother. Okay, only child of Shahrukh's grandmother is Shahrukh's mom, or it can be dad as well. Okay, daughter of the only child means Shahrukh's mom, so the dad's daughter could be Shahrukh's sister. Okay, so how is the lady related to Shahrukh? She's a sister, as simple as that. Okay, you don't have to draw the diagram also, just go with the statement and imagine that Shahrukh is yourself. Okay, one more blood and relation problem. If Neha says Priyank's father, who is Omvir, is the only son of my father-in-law Chandrapal. Now Neha is saying something, so my father-in-law Chandrapal means Neha's father-in-law Chandrapal. Okay, so for example, this is Neha. Neha would have a husband. Husband's father is Neha's father-in-law, that is Chandrapal. Okay, and we are given that only son of my father-in-law, only son of Chandrapal is this guy only. Okay, and it is given that Priyank's father Omvir. So this should be Priyank's father Omvir. Okay, and this should be Priyanka's father Omvir. Okay, and we are given in the question now is that how is Ruchi, who is a sister of Priyanka, Ruchi, who is sister of Priyanka, related to Chandrapal? By this, Ruchi should be the granddaughter, but we don't have granddaughter anywhere over here, so answer is option E, none of the above. Okay, I hope you got this. So we are solving this one now. We are given 4, 7, 26, 10, 13, 20, 16. Here we can observe is that plus 3. Okay, plus 3. So if you do plus 3 over here, you will get 19. Here we can observe is that minus 6. Again, if you do minus 6, you should get 14. 19 and 14 is the pair. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. Okay, so these are the opposite terms of each other. Giant means very huge and dwarf means very small. Genius means someone who is very smart, and opposite of that would be idiot. Okay, as simple as that. This is the distance and direction problem. Okay, and this is the distance and direction problem. Sohan drove 15 kilometer to the west from his house. If this is his house and this is your north, south, east, west, so Sohan drove 15 kilometer from his house. Okay, 15 kilometers to the west from his house. He then turns left and draws 20 kilometer. He then goes towards east. This is east and draws 25 kilometer. Okay, then he takes left and turns 20 kilometer. How far is he from the house? This is 25, this is 15, so remaining distance is 10. Okay, so 10 kilometers. If 2 is added to the first digit of each number, how many numbers thus from divisible by 3? Okay, so we'll see now. If 2 is added, we have 484, we have 512, we have 637, we have 785, we have 896. So all these numbers we have to see among all these numbers which number is divisible by 3. Okay, 8 is not divisible by 3, so of course this is wrong. 5 plus 1 6, but 2 is not divisible by 3. 6 plus 3 is 9, which is divisible by 3 but not 7. 8 plus 5 13, 5 7 12, which is divisible by 3 but not 8. 6 is divisible by 3, 9 is also divisible by 3 but not 8, so none of this, so option is A. Okay, which pair does not belong with the others? We have to see 3 9 6 15. This gives 3 3s are 9. Even this gives 6 3s are 18. This gives 4 4s are 16. This gives 12 3s are 36. So एवरीवेयर ओवर यहाँ पे जो अपना पहला मल्टीपल है वो 3 टाइम्स हो रहा है, बट यहाँ पे एक ही जगह पे वो 4 टाइम्स हो रहा है. सो दिस इज द ऑड वन आउट. सो इवन वी हैव ऑप्शन सी. ओके, here we are given some series 1W 2V. So this is a common series. If we see the backwards, TUVW. Okay, so RS, it should come RS TUVW. It is following this way. Okay, and now we have over here 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 gives 3. 2 plus 3 gives 5. 5 plus 3 should give us 8. 8S. This is the answer. Okay. 284. If all the digits in the numbers are arranged in a descending order within the number. So जितने भी नंबर्स दिए ना उन नंबर्स को ही अपने आपस में ही उसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. सो वी हैव 248, we have 123, we have 347, we have 558, we have 669. Which of the following will be the highest in the new arrangement of these numbers? हाईएस्ट पूछा है तो यही है भाई अपना. ओके, डन. Even this is an easy one. 1 1 2 6 24-720. First I will try doing this. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3. It doesn't give anything, so I will try this. 1 into 1 we are getting 1. 1 into 2 we are getting this. Into 3 into 4 into 5 I'll get 120. So this is the answer. This is the easy one, you can do it by yourself. Okay, I don't have to solve this. Even you can solve this by yourself. Even this thing also you can solve by yourself. I'll show you this one. We have 4 1s are 4. Here we have 4 1s are 4. Here we have into 2 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 4s are 96. 5s are 6s are 7s are. Okay, 2 8 8 0 into 7. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 5 56 and 5 61. 7 2s are 14. So 20160. Option A. Okay. Now this one, odd one out. We have 8 plus 3 gives us 11. 1 plus 3 gives us 4. 7 plus 3 gives us this, and this is plus 2. So this is the odd one out. Okay. Find the missing number. This is a very interesting one. If you notice this, 12 and 15. 12 and 15 gives you 27. 11 and 15 gives you 26. 18 and 11 gives you 29. So 18 plus 12 should give you मेरे भाई 30. Is that 30? Yes, 30. Okay, you can do this by yourself. You just have to fold this pattern. Okay, I will solve this in the part 2. I'm just solving the doable ones, the easy ones first. Okay, Even this is based on the similar pattern. They are using the same number series and just changing the question. You can do this by yourself. Okay. Even this one also, they're using the same number series and just changing the question. So I'll show you this one as well now. Madhuri travels 14 kilometers westwards. Madhuri travels 14 kilometers westwards, and then she turns left and takes 6 kilometers. Then she again turns left and takes 26 kilometers. How far is Madhuri from the starting point? This is the distance of Madhuri. She already traveled 14, so remaining is how much? 12. Here it is 6. We have to find this one. Okay. So 144 plus 36 gives 180, which is root of 180. So this is the answer. Shortest distance. Okay. I'll solve this one. There's a project team. Okay. There's a project team having males and females. So we have 4 members over here, and there are males and females as well. Out of this, 2 members are proficient in mathematics and 2 members are proficient in computer programming. And we are given that half members are female. So out of this, 2 are female and 2 are male. Okay. We are given some conclusion. Okay. Or we are given some fact. We have to tell which fact is true. At least one female member is proficient in mathematics. We are not sure about it. Okay. So this fact is wrong. 2 of the members are male. Of course, we are given that half the members are female. So half will be male. So this is correct. 2 is correct. The male members are proficient in computer programming. We cannot say on that. It can be female as well. So okay. So only 2 is correct. The remaining paper I will solve in the part 2. I hope you like this video so far. Please let me know in the comment section. और वीडियो अच्छा लगा then भाई प्लीज़ सपोर्ट भी करिए इसको. ठीक है.